My name's Sam Washer. I am one of the founders of a company here in Milwaukee called WayHome, and we're a technology-based transportation company that gets customers and their cars home. So it's similar to Uber or Lyft. I've had a long road to get to where we are now. We're very close to launching, but it started off pretty rocky. We started with another company who let us down, did not deliver on the things that we expected, and ended up cutting ties with them and finding ourselves lucky enough to work with Xorbix. And the experience has been night and day compared to the first company. You can tell Xorbix really cares about the quality of the work that they're doing and making sure that they're delivering on everything that they promised. Just the way that they approach the process, I was really impressed with. The other companies and company that we work with really kind of rushed the discovery and kind of the feature setting of exactly what it is that you need. And Xorbix took a lot of time to make sure that they understood exactly what we needed and that we were going to be getting everything that was actually important. They've just done a fantastic job. I can't say enough great things about Xorbix and Asif. He's a great guy, and I just highly recommend him.